What's up? It's Brandy. I'm here with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribe, like, ring the bell so you can get the latest in video uploads for my channel. And I'm here today, you guys, with another, you guessed it, wig tutorial. I did Valentino last video, and I told you guys I had bought her sister wig, which is Valencia, which is almost the same exact one, but straight and longer, if you can see. So this is Valencia. It has the two combs in the front, you guys can see, and the one comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. But I do have my wig grip just in case I need it. I already have my wig cap on, so let's get started. I think because I have a semi-small head, I'm going to go ahead and put my wig grip on, show you guys how I rock this with my small head. And this is really pretty. I didn't put the powder in here like I had last time, but you can see it's the 5-inch parting space. And so let me cut the tag off. So you guys, let's get started here. And let's get that off. All right, and here she is, Valencia, 5-inch lace parting space, and the color FF golden brown. I think that's the same color I had Valentino in. So FF golden brown. She takes 400 heat, and she can be styled and curled. So let's put her on and see what she looks like. She's super long, so okay, let's get up so you guys can see. You really don't have to do too much with her. She does have a little bit of baby hair, but I'm going to turn this fan towards me, you guys, because I am on fire. Okay. All right. Now, this is just her on, so it's not like I have to do too much to her. Let's comb her out and see how she looks. This is a really pretty, oh yeah, look at that. Pretty golden FF, little tangly there, but this is how she looks, and I just took her out the package. So this is some poppin' color, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. If this, the other one was Beyonce look, but this is straight Beyonce look. And you can see how long it is. So super long. And I'll go to the back so you guys can see. It is a long wig. So if you don't like long hair, this is not the wig for you. This is without baby hairs. But I can either take, let's see, I can use my Got to Be black and maybe put some baby hairs down. But you really don't have to do too much to her at all. This is out of the package and on. So if I wanted to, I could probably, I'm not even going to put any baby hairs. I'm going to put my own little baby hairs and put it there. But this is the look. This is super, super cute. Let's fix that. That's not cool. But this is out of the package. So all I would need to do is add a little powder or a little powder in the part just to make it blend in with my face, your foundation powder or the liquid, whatever you want to do. And this is pretty much out of the package, you guys. I just wanted to show you, you don't really have to do too much to this at all. This is like all of 5 or 10 minutes. I found these little Fendi barrettes, and like I showed you guys, like that's the hottest trend. So I'm gonna put my little Fendi barrettes in this and just see how it looks. So this, I mean, I don't really have to do too much to this. So this is Valencia. Like I said, you can put heat up to 400 degrees, but this is really cute for the summer. It gives you that Beyonce vibe again, because she likes to wear these colors in her hair. You can see the colors as I pull it out throughout there. And this is by Free Tress. So this is Free Tress. Let's bring it up again. Free Tress Equal, and it's a Valencia, and it has that 5-inch parting space. So let's get a close-up look. So even if I did some baby hairs, I mean, this is straight out of the package, so you don't really have to do too much to this at all. Put some barrettes in it, you might could put some curls in it, whatever you want, but I love this wig, and I've seen so many videos on it, so I had to try it and show you guys from start to finish what it looks like. Like I said, put a little powder in there. It's not major. I'll be right back. I'll show you with a little bit of baby hairs and powder the finished look on this, so stay tuned. Okay, ladies, I put a little bit of the Got to Be gel on it in the black. Put a tie on it to mold it down a little. And this is the finished product. Free Tress Equal 5-inch lace parting. And this doesn't want to come off my head. Valencia. With a little bit of baby hair. I still kept my little barrettes in, but as you guys can see, I'm going to take the barrettes out. I was just toying around with it. I thought that was kind of cute. But let's take the barrettes out. And this is how it looks. And this, you guys, is super gorgeous, super cute. So if you want to try an easy, and the color, oh my goodness, the color is so super fabulous. If you just want to play with some color for the summer, and that's what I've been doing with these wigs, play with color for the summer, this is definitely the wig you want to get. Free Tress Equal Valencia 5-inch parting, and you will feel like Beyonce today and every day that you put this on. So lady, thanks for tuning in and watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, put some comments below, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in the next video and the next wig tutorial. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.